Get Eco.
Replacing underground sewer lines used to mean destroying your entire front yard. But with Trenchless sewer repair, we can spare your lawn from disaster. Our Trenchless pipelining method creates a new permanent pipe inside the old existing pipe. A temporary inflatable bladder is inserted into the old pipe along with epoxy relining materials. When the bladder is inflated, the epoxy forms a seamless, durable pipe against the walls of the old pipe. The bladder is removed, connections are made, and the flow is restored. Our Trenchless solution means that your drains will be repaired quickly without destructive, open trench digging in your yard, patio, driveway, or gardens. Serious problems need serious solutions. We are the Trenchless sewer repair experts, and we can solve your sewer problem guaranteed.
Get Eco.
ECO.